Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We had snow this morning, but it's melting off. Well, you can see the residue in the road. I had to hit the roads and go to town. I got my gas for the log splitter and dropped off the packages to go off in the mail and dropped off the trailer. Pure blue sky today. And the solar power is pumping. So Melanie has been washing clothes for free on solar power. I love it. When it's a day like this, we have power to burn. A day like this is great. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 1600 watts of solar. And our washing machine is only 120 on wash cycle and I think 350 total. Total if you're doing wash and spin together. So that gives you an idea how much power we have excess even with the washing machine running. So I've been upstairs working on the computer and getting videos edited and doing comments. And well, it's going to be a beautiful day, but it's still cold out. So I'm not sure what the day's going to bring. And we're going to do some wood splitting. We're going to go and see about getting some groceries we need. I'm not sure if there's anywhere to get anything, but there's some few things we can use that we can live without if we don't get it. But we're gonna go see if we can get it, and planning to be here for a while, long term. Wait this storm out, see what happens. Solar power, definitely no problems there. Look what Melanie's doing. She is getting professional looking. Her stuff looks and tastes absolutely better than from the baker. Sorry, bakers.
Very soft.
Wow. Now what's in these?
Recold Spanish bread, which is perfect. Look how soft.
What's on it?
Breadcrumbs.
Oh.
And butter and cream cheese inside of it.
Oh, wow.
So it is really good.
Oh,
Look at
wow.
how soft it is.
Yeah.
This is the first time I made this and it went
Looks really good. Really, really good. Well, there's the last of it. We didn't take some of the littler things last time, but we're getting it now. All the shelves are down. We're taking them out into the trailer. We got the U-Haul again. We're unloading that. My computers, the office. I even took apart every single nail and screw from every piece of wood. It's all here, all in pieces. That was our original shelving and desk and coffee bar. Everything is in pieces. Only one thing I forgot to take the nails off of. That's the only thing that's still nailed together out of every single piece of wood we had. So now there's my office. Now we're packing it up into the trailer and getting out of here. We'll be done today. Well guys, almost all done. Got the plants, got my office, and that's pretty much it. I got a few things in my other room, and that we can get in the Jeep next time. But these were sensitive things, and we've got some stops to make along the way home, and I certainly don't want that in the back of the vehicle. And that's it. A diaper bag goes with us in a minute, and the wagon we've been using. It's exhausting. And now we're going to have lunch and then go home and undo it all. What a job. We did it. Almost done. Well guys, that's getting to be a familiar sight on the homestead. A U-Haul. We got another trailer load. And the Jeep is loaded to the top. So we got to empty this out. Get everything in the shop, and then I can start building. Now this time I've got all the shelves, all the lumber, and all the food products. The only thing left at the store is my office. So we got work to do. We got to empty this out. I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Trailer is empty. The Jeep is still loaded, but we got the trailer done for now. There's all the lumber for the shelves. And I'm actually going to start right now putting some shelves together so I can clear off some space in here and get the products up so we can process orders. I've got 3 more sales to process, and I need to get all this stuff off the floor so I have an overview. So I'm going to get to it. Well, there's 1/2 of a shelf frame put together. I got to make another and then screw them together, put on the shelves, and we've got 1 set of shelves. Now these are all going to be freestanding in here. They're not going to be screwed together so that we can move them later to do the insulating. I asked Melanie what her preference was. I was thinking about pulling them out from the wall enough and work around them like that, but she said no, put them against the wall, we can move them later when we get the insulation. So, get to it. Got 1 shelf over in the corner. Now I'm going to make another one because we need room. I want to put everything along the walls where there's more support for now, because I don't have the middle of the floor supported yet. And I need to get these along the walls so I can get the Jeep emptied up. So I'm going to set up another set of shelves right now, and then I can put the products from the Jeep on those. And they're pretty light. I just don't want them in the middle of the floor and in the way. Well, I got 2 shelves. Now it's raining, so I don't know. I don't really want to unload the Jeep in the rain, so I don't know. But there's 2. I had to bring in some scrap wood that I was not going to bring in. That is actually supposed to go out behind the wood shop, but we had it here and outside and had to bring it in real quick. As well as a bunch of other pieces I had to quickly throw in out of the rain so it wouldn't get wrecked. But all that goes in the wood shop. Well, I guess unless it stops raining for a bit, that's going to be it for tonight. I guess we'll see. But I do want to empty that Jeep. That's all light stuff, chips and things, and lightweight stuff we can throw on those shelves and it won't hurt a thing being in here for now. Now in the bottom is all going to be bottles, cans, and jars. So just for safety, in case something ever did get in here, we'll have that all, any products off the ground in just glass containers on the bottom. And that's how it's going to be. Anyway, for now, let's see what comes. Well, we were in town today on the way home. We got chickens. Little baby chickies. Yeah, Michelle likes them. So, we got 6 little birds, and we're going to start raising egg layers again. We decided that, yes, we did want to do it. So, we stopped over to Tractor Supply on the way home. And there's our little chirps. Little chirpy birds. They're happy. You like them? Yeah, babies. Well, I'm done. I'm hurting anyway. It has been a long, long, long day. I don't know what time it is, but it's late. It's raining. And Melanie's got dinner going. I'm done. Almost finished. And then we're going to be staying here at the homestead. Working the homestead. Staying away from the crazy things going on outside there in the world, and just watch over our family and work on self-sufficiency. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another day is done. Talk to you later.